Hello everyone. In this English episode, we will listen to the most commonly repeated words in the IELTS listening test. Workplaces, qualities and touring. Listening to English is an essential part of improving your English language skills. So let's start it. Workplaces. Clinic, internship, employee, vision, confidence, stress, ability, workshop, team leaders, technical cooperation, unemployed, employment, dentist. Qualities: reasonable, cheap, expensive, safe, striped, spotted, colored, luxurious, efficient, disappointed, satisfied, poor quality, strongly recommended, dangerous, satisfactory. Touring: single double-bedded room, suite, aquarium, hostel, tourist attraction, picnic, memorable, culture, view, reservation, guest, trip, souvenir, tourist guided tour, ticket office.